Good morning students, welcome back to our next session of the second chapter, that is shapes and angles. In our previous sessions, we have learned about angle tester. There I have taught you how we can measure the different angles with the angle tester. Today our topics to be covered is our angle garden and angles in names. These two topics we are going to cover. So let's start with our topic. So student, here one exercise is given on the page number 22, question number 3 that we have to solve. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Means कि हमको हमारी choice का कोई भी एक picture draw करना है. Also write what kind of angle it is. और हमको ये भी लिखना है कि what kind of angle it is. It is acute angle, it is a right angle, or it is a less than a right angle, or it is a more than a right angle. So we have to do this exercise. We can use the things nearby us. Means कि आपको draw वैसी चीज़ें करनी है जो आपके लिए easy हो draw करना, और आपके नियर बाई की कोई चीज़ें देख देख के आप उसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन, द पिक्चर ऑफ crocodile is given and that is the less than a right angle. Okay, the mouth of the crocodile is showing the angle as that is less than a right angle. Simultaneously next pictures are given to us. So this exercise you have, instead of doing in the textbook, you can do into the notebook, into the workbook, page number 26, question number 7. This way, if you are not doing this in the textbook, it will be okay, but you can do that in the workbook, the page number what I have tell you, page number 26. Let's start with our first topic is angle garden. Here in the book you can see when B is given, when B is saying something. So let's read it. My angle dance shows the way. Means the way he moves, the way he moves, it shows the angles. So when I see flowers for making honey, what the bee is saying, when I see the flowers, जब मैं flowers को देखता हूँ honey बनाने के लिए, I want to tell other bees, मुझे दूसरे bees को कहना है, to show them the way I start dancing. Means what he is saying कि when I start dancing, that I need to tell to my other bees, other friend bees, to see me how I am dancing. My dance shows the angles between the sun and the flower. Now the way he danced, so that the dance shows the angles covered between the sun and the flower. So we have to identify which angles that are forming over here. Now here you can see the distance between sun, the picture which is given over here is of honeybee, beehive and the honeybee. So the angles what you are seeing in the book is acute angle. It is a less than a right angle, so it shows the acute angle. Like this way, the many angles are getting in this. As you see in this, two girls are standing nearby one plant. Even that, there also they plant making many angles that you can find it. Now next is, here the woodpecker is given and two girls are given. So let's read. I am a woodpecker. What woodpecker is saying? My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. Means here the woodpecker is there. He is cutting the tree, and there also he makes an angle. Okay. Then another 2-3 birds are also there. They are also making an angles. So student, this you can check it by your own, which angles they are making, less than a right angle or big than a right angle. What angles they are making, you can check it by your own. Now the girls, what they are saying is, hey, look at the bird. Its beak has an angle less than a right angle. Means कि this bird, what you are able to see on the right hand side, his beak is open. Right, so that bird is making a less than a right angle. You can observe from the picture. Now on the page number 25, look for the birds which have beaks with the small angles. That we have to see, as I have told you in the picture, it is connected with that picture. So you can see कि the birds which beaks they are having with angle they are making of small angles. And next is, in the picture, mark angle between the two branches. Here between the two branches also the angles are marked. which two branches have the biggest angle. That also we have to identify. We have to recognize which angles are more than the right angle. Now coming back to our next topic is angles in names. So let's read in the textbook. You know there are angles in the letters of our names too. Means here we can see the angles in our names. For example, one is given in the textbook. The name is Sukhman. Sukhman, here the angles are given which we going to say. Here what we have to see is which are the angles less than a right angle and which are the angles are exactly right angles. If I am reading in the textbook, in my name there are 11 right angles and there are also 10 angles less than a right angle. So we have to check it whether in this the name Sukhman is given in this, whether 11 right angles are there or not. And they have said that 10 less than right angles are there or not. So let's start with our exercise. Here the first letter if I am taking is S. So we have to check whether the 11 right angles are there or not. So here it is making S first right angle, this is making 2, this and this. So all together in the letter S 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles are there. Here also if I can see this is 1 and this is 2. So here they are making second. So this 2 are the right angles. Third if I am coming to this. So here H is given. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here H also making the 4 right angles, and here in the letter of M, if you can see here like this. So this is also making 1 right angle. So if I am counting, so this 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 means 4 plus 2 6 plus 4 10 equals plus 1 equals to 11. So this is making 11 right angles. Do you understand? Now simultaneously we will see to the next letters. Now we see for K letter. So in K they are making, let's count it. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Means 1, 2 and 3. K letter is making 3 angles. I am coming to this. So M over here is a 1. And here is the 2. This is making 2 angles, and the letter A is 1, 2, 3. So it is making 3 angles, and here also we can count these angles. But as you can see, these are more than the right angles, and we have to see for the less than right angle. So we could not consider it. And third, last letter is N. Here also it is making a less than a right angle. And this is also making a less than a right angle. So these are 2. So let's count for it. Here is the 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 3 plus 2 5. 3 plus 2 5. So it is making 10. So 10 less than a right angle we do have in the Sukhman's name. Simultaneously, students, you have to do one of the exercise which is given in your textbook, and the names are Usha, Lakshmi and Naman. These 3 names are given in your workbook. So what you have to do is the name which I have given you, here how we have found the angles, right angle and less than a right angle. Simultaneously you have to do the exercise in your workbook. You can use a pencil and do this exercise in your workbook by writing the names, and simultaneously you can write the angles. The box is also given. You can mention the angles less than a right angle and more than a right angle, and you have to write the name. You have to give the names like this, numbers to the angles, so it will be easy for you to understand which angles are forming like in a which way. So this exercise you have to do in your workbook.
Now let's do the activity which is given on the page number 25. First is put 10 math magic books on top of each other. Means what they wants to say, okay, this is just the activities I am explaining you. It is not mandatory for you to do, but this shows, this will teach you about the more angles. So put 10 math magic books on the top of each other. Means 10 math magic book आपको एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखनी है. And keep one book slanting to make a slide. Means 10 book के बाजू में एक आपको book slant shape में रखनी है जो slide की तरह बन सके. Now B is do this with 6 books. अब ये हमको same 6 books की तरह देखना है कि सेम एक्सरसाइज आपको 6 बुक्स रख के भी करनी है. फर्स्ट में आपको 10 बुक रखनी है, सेकंड में आपको 6 बुक्स रखने हैं. नाउ रोल अ बॉल फ्रॉम द टॉप. मतलब कि ये दोनों जो एक्टिविटीज़ आपने किए हैं उसमें आपको बॉल रख के रोल करना है. फ्रॉम विच स्लाइड डज द बॉल रोल डाउन फर्स्टर. मतलब हमें ये चेक करना है कि कौन से स्लाइड से हमारा बॉल बहुत फास्ट से नीचे आ गया है. विच स्लाइड हैज़ द स्मॉलर एंगल. अब कौन सी स्लाइड का एंगल सबसे छोटा है, दैट वी हैव टू जज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन डू दिस exercise if you need to do.
So students, our topic of the day is word angle in garden and angle in names. So here I have taught you about on this base name, what these 3 names you have to solve in the notebook. Here I want to tell you this names the way I have taught you on the board. In this way you can use a rough book and you can write this names, and it will be easy for you to understand how the angles are and how you can find it. This will be the easy way, but you have to solve in the workbook. But rough work you can do in your notebook. So 2 topics we have covered today. Now another thing I want to add, a few exercises are there which I have explained you through the PPT, and you have to do that as well in your workbook and textbook also. Thank you and have a nice day.